because if you are very swap from my village, I say no, but it's beginning. Sometimes certain things happen. Then I think there were some mistakes that affected it. So it's here to understand. Anything can happen. We are not going there as you said. We are going there.
English.
Play better. And then we have play better than what you do. Seriously, so we compare game here, even against one. I wasn't satisfied with certain decisions. So and maybe beyond or beyond the year. Along the line. That doesn't mean say you. It's the first thing. When we're going to I don't want to compare. I don't look at the situation. Nobody gave it a chance. So I think today we have the opportunity. It's not good.
Because of time meeting, the question will be sent to and answer both. The first 7 questions now into voting now about choice.
And a message Ben are working on apply your
Apparently, I'm right. Catch on here. And yet, you see, there are certain situations that will fall. And yet, impossible, but very difficult situations. What is it? We are now in difficult situations, but not impossible. Remember that you only have then the second one is CB and Sarah and
Yes, coach, I'm sorry. Maybe okay. Entry, I didn't know financials, but myself before more height. But if you want to be a reason before a fight, it's not to be for
maybe there's something for before match is after match. Before match is after match. Before every game we prepare. So as we finish this one, I'm going to prepare again. So it's preparation. Now, I did not do it according to height. We did it according to exams. But along the line, I have to bring in nobody told me. I was a good time I said already. Sometimes it is not really the coaches. The approach, I said, now so I think whilst we were playing the league, we also tried to provide the team. You see? So that is your ball league. I always say, I could bet on that. You see? Your ball issue on that. And those who play the issue, and we are the perception of so that is how, not that yeah. So
yeah, coach. Your name?
My name is Nana Yaosai. I work with Guide Radio 91.5. Coach, Mohamed Kamara has been the safest pair of hands for the team for quite some time now. And unfortunately, he's going to miss the second leg. Going into the second leg, how are you going to deploy tactics?
I have 3 goals. And I started preparing as if 2 matches. And Kamara was in this. Till when I came to the following against nation, then so the nation team don't train there. So now he's not there. We still have another 2 weeks. Aziz too is not bad. Maybe we will use this opportunity to let us know that.
Coach,
Yes.
my name is Fortune from AIT. Yes. Albert Amwa is one of your best players. Today on the photo play, I realized that he wasn't too fit. Can you explain to us why you decided to keep him in the game until the final whistle?
You see, it's not easy to change Messi. It's not easy to change Ronaldo. If you think before you realize what I say, until I believe another striker, team me now, you striker is better. But it's not adopted. The language I have. So now the first chance you remember, watch you notice it wasn't fit, the normal ones. I hope so by the time because of your area, on the so it's a fact, any part. I tell you, okay, and say,
Okay, last two for the coach. Then we go to some. My friend, my brother.
Coach, good evening. Let's FM. Better luck next time. Coach, who can say compare one and one in network final? But that's why it's disappointed with the players and money.
well, I think when you the work to now the quarantine, let's choose that now the number one. What you say may be right, but I'm now going to the exam and see why I'm because it's not too bad, but this was not what I was expecting from them. Because they did a lot, and the rest of a lot. So maybe I don't know, unless we talk.
Okay, last one for the coach. What have we done?
Yes.
Better luck next time. What for the supporters in Ukraine engage? Now, what it in here and what show back why? Who team and Casa? Rather, I will professional.
I think tactically, we kill the one. I think we are just to push it. But before they were not doing what they got. So who can push you to change that? Yeah, I see. Yeah,
But you see the 1-0 as a true reflection.
well, they will make it. Yes.
Let's go to summer.